Hello everyone, and in this video, I'm going to unbox this 1:18 scale BMW M5 Competition F90 from GD Spirit. This is a resin model and not a die cast. The quality control card is also included with the car. There are two pieces of sellotape holding the thermocol shells in place. I'll unscrew the car now. So here's the car, which looks really nice. The headlights and the air intakes are really well detailed. There's the M5 Competition logo on the front grille, and if you look carefully, you can see the V braces behind the grille. The intercooler is also really well detailed. The BMW logo on the bonnet is a metal sticker. The wheels look really nice, and the BMW logo on the center cap is again a metal sticker. There's the yellow brake caliper and the wheels do not roll. There's the vent on the front fender which has the M5 Competition logo, which again is a metal sticker. The mirror also has a turn signal and it looks really nice. The rear wheels also do not roll. Now moving on to the back, the tail lamps are really well detailed, and the BMW and the M5 Competition logo are again metal stickers. The exhaust tips are painted in black, and the rear diffuser looks really nice. There's also the black lip spoiler on the boot, which suits the car well. There's the carbon fiber roof and the shark fin antenna, which looks really nice. Now moving on to the interior, the dashboard is really well detailed, and the BMW logo on the steering wheel is again a metal sticker. There's the various gauges on the instrument cluster. You can also see the buttons on the steering wheel, dashboard and the center console, and there's the M5 Competition logo on the infotainment screen. There's carbon fiber trim on the center console and on the door cards. And the door cards are again really well detailed. There's the M5 Competition logo on the seats as well. Since the rear window is tinted, it's really difficult to see the rear seats. But you can somewhat see how they look like from the front. You can also see the speakers on the parcel shelf, and there are defroster lines on the rear windshield. If you look carefully, you can see the seat belts on the rear seats. The passenger seat is same as on the driver's side. You can see the driver's side door card from here. There's carbon fiber trim on the dashboard as well, and you can see the dashboard more clearly from here. The mirrors have chrome inserts in them and they reflect really well, and is the same for the interior rearview mirror as well. And here's the headliner, and you can see the sun visors and the cabin lights at the front. You can't see much of the headliner detailing at the back. There's the different sensors in front of the interior rearview mirror. The wipers look really nice, but they have some polished residues on them. So here's the undercarriage, which also has a metal plate which has the limitation of the car, and this is car number 1561 out of 1700. Most of the undercarriage is covered and there's silver paint on the exhaust system, and the mufflers look really nice. The tread pattern on the tire is also really well detailed. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you later.